name's Elliot Shoup. I'm third generation here at Tri-State. My grandpa started the company back in 1971. We're running close to 50 trucks now. This is one of our trucks, 2016 Kenworth. Something we like to do. We have all these pinstripes on a lot of our trucks. Recently we've been putting these X-Guard bumpers on the front. We like running stainless. A lot of our trucks had 7-inch stacks, but we've been going back to 6-inch, just kind of a more classic look.
Hear that voice getting louder, it keeps my back to the wall. Fear starts taking me over.
Kind of known as the orange trucks up here in northern Colorado. Trucking runs pretty deep in my family. My grandpa started Shoup Brothers back in 1951. They were blue trucks, same paint scheme, but blue and white. And they had multiple different shops around the country, but they're based out of here in Greeley. Grandpa ended up starting Tri-State later on in 1970. Started with just a handful of trucks. Our fleet mostly consists of W900s. We have a handful of 389 Peterbilts and one 379. We do have a couple older classic trucks, some 80s model Kenworths that we try to keep up with. We've rebuilt one in the past few years, and we have another one in the shop that we're putting some new life into it. We enjoy keeping up with the equipment, making them look nice. We take a lot of pride in that. So this is where the magic happens. We service all 50 of our trucks in here. We do almost all the maintenance, whether that's overhauls down to oil changes. We have a full service grease pit here next to me that we can pull trucks in and do services. We've got a crew of 5 mechanics right now. One of them's a trailer mechanic, so he's always busy pulling trailers in and out, making sure everything's up to par. And then my brother and I, my father and uncle, we're doing all the other odds and ends on the trucks, keeping them running and trying to keep them look nice. This is one of our trucks that we just had repainted. We went with the old school look on the door here with this lettering. Went away from a vinyl and went to actually hand brushed. So we're excited to get this one out, back on the road for everybody to see.
But the road gets harder.
A lot of things guys will notice about Tri-State trucks. We have these saddlebag boxes, but we've actually converted them into sanders. So that gets us through the winter time. Definitely helps some of the guys not having to chain up as much. You can see the sander tubes down there. We've kind of custom fabbed those. We like running a lot of stainless on our trucks. Majority of what we're pulling are pneumatics and hoppers. We have a couple liquid tanks, but we're running in Colorado and all the surrounding states and then some. So this truck to my right is this is a truck I drive when I'm able to break out of the shop and get some mental therapy on the road. It's a 2003 W900. This is a truck I drove local, and when I got it, it was just more stock and had a 16-inch bumper. So over the years, I've kind of was able to get a new hood on it, put a 20-inch bumper. I was able to get some stainless steps, and then found all of these parts hidden away up in storage, just like the stainless step covers. And I took the boxes off of it, and we had the frame all painted, stainless fenders put on. I'm running a Pogo and then one of these Merit deck plates, flush mount. Recently, we've been building our own light bars as well. Just steel frame and then sending them down to get them powder coated. This one here to my right it's an 80s model Kenworth, W900 model, driven by Dennis Ballou. This truck has got a lot of character to it. I don't remember the backstory behind it, but if anybody ever wanted to stop by, I'm sure Greg could tell them. We've got the best drivers out there, in my opinion. We love working with these guys. We're thankful for the hard work they put in to keep the place running.